Your Acadia's 4x4 system acting up? Don't panic. Here's what you need to know. First, double-check you're actually in the right mode. Sometimes a simple bump or misclick can leave you in front-wheel drive. Check the dashboard for any warning lights or error messages. Next, listen for unusual noises when you try to engage 4x4, like grinding or clicking. These could be signs of a mechanical problem like a faulty transfer case or worn-out actuator. If your Acadia has a selector knob or button, try turning it off and back on. Sometimes electronics need a little reset. No luck? It might be a blown fuse or a wiring issue. Pop the hood and look for any obvious problems like loose cables, but don't poke around too much. Leave the tricky stuff to the pros. Another common cause, low or dirty transfer case fluid. If it hasn't been changed in a while, it could stop 4x4 from working properly. But again, have a mechanic check this out if you're not sure. Bottom line, if your 4x4 isn't engaging, start with these simple checks. If it's still not working, take your Acadia to a certified GMC technician. Fixing a 4x4 system can be complicated, but catching issues early can save you a lot of hassle down the road. Stay safe and drive smart.